In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automate tasks in Notion. If you use Notion regularly, automation can save you a lot of time by handling repetitive actions for you. Instead of manually updating pages, creating follow-up tasks, or sending notifications, you can set up a simple workflow that runs automatically in the background. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the full setup process in a clear and practical way so you can build your first Notion automation with confidence. To begin, decide exactly what Notion task you want to automate. This is the most important starting point because a good automation solves one specific repeatable task. For example, you might want a new task to be created whenever a database item is added, or you may want a message sent when a project status changes. Keep it simple at first. The clearer your goal is, the easier the rest of the setup will be. Next, open the Notion database or page involved in the automation. Make sure you're working with the exact workspace, database, or page where the action will happen. It also helps to quickly review the properties and layout so you understand what information the automation will use. This reduces confusion later when you're selecting triggers and actions. After that, choose a tool to build the automation. Common options include Notion automations make Zapier N8N or the Notion API. The best choice depends on your comfort level and what you want the automation to do. Some tools are more beginner friendly, while others give you more flexibility and control. If you're just getting started, pick one that feels easy to navigate. Once you've chosen your tool, connect your Notion account to it. This usually involves authorizing access so the tool can read from or write to your Notion workspace. Take a moment to confirm that the correct workspace is connected before moving on. Now choose a trigger. The trigger is the event that starts the automation. This could be something like a new database item being created or a status field changing. Think of it as the when this happens part of the workflow. Then choose an action. The action is what the automation does after the trigger occurs. That might be sending a message, updating a page, or creating a task. This is the do this part of the process. Before enabling anything, test the automation. Testing helps you confirm that the trigger fires correctly and that the action does exactly what you expect. If something looks off, adjust it now rather than after it's live. Once the test works correctly, turn the automation on. From that point forward, your workflow should run automatically, helping you keep Notion organized and saving you time on repetitive work.